Namaskaram, welcome back to Anila Inspirations. Happy Navratri to you all. So today, the first day of Navratri has started and I am here to wish you all for happy Navratri and also to give you a few tips and tricks that you can use during Navratri to make our lives a little easy compared to our usual busy selves. Okay? So do see all these tips and tricks and try to follow them because they will actually save you a lot of time if you do it beforehand and keep it. Okay, so that's about the introduction for this video. I have kept my glue. I'm gonna show you my glue. This time it's gonna be a small one because my daughter is 2.5 years old and she likes to pick the dolls all the time. Okay, she's been counting them, she's been touching them, she's been lifting them, and I'm very scared that if she breaks one or two, that's good luck, but then if she breaks all of them, then what we're gonna do? Okay, so that's the reason why I have put up a small setup this time, okay, with just 3 steps and on a table. Okay, तो मेरे हिंदी व्यूअर्स के लिए हैप्पी नवरात्रि। सभी लोगों को पैंडमिक के वक्त सेफ रहना, ज़्यादा डांडिया मत खेलना, जाते वक्त मास्क और सैनिटाइजर्स लेके जाना ज़रूर, ठीक है। इस वीडियो में मैं दिखाने जा रही हूँ बहुत से इजी टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स जो आप नवरात्रि के वक्त यूज़ कर सकते हैं और ओके किसी भी फंक्शन में भी यूज़ करते हैं। बहुत सिंपल ट्रिक्स है ये, पर अगर आप इसको फॉलो करोगे तो आपका जो नवरात्रि जो टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा होता है ना हमें प्रिपेयर करने के लिए, वो सब बहुत कम हो जाएगा और आपको बहुत आसानी हो जाएगी आपका काम कंप्लीट करने के लिए और मेकअप में बैठने के लिए। तो इस वीडियो को कंप्लीटली देखिएगा और लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी करिएगा, ठीक है। आपको अगर कोई पार्ट समझ में नहीं आया, क्योंकि मैं इंग्लिश में बात कर रही हूँ इस वीडियो में, तो आप मेरे को कमेंट्स में अपना क्वेश्चन भेज सकते हैं और मैं आपको जवाब ज़रूर दूंगी, ठीक है। तो शुभ नवरात्रि सभी लोगों के लिए। ఏంటి అందరు రెడీ అయిపోయారా? గోలు నేను పెట్టేశానండి। ఈసారి చిన్న గొలువు పెట్టాను ఎందుకంటే నా కూతురు 2.5 years కదా, అన్ని బొమ్మలు ఎత్తేస్తుంది, చాలా కష్టంగా ఉంది। అందుకని చెప్పేసి అన్ని బొమ్మలు ఎరగొట్టేస్తే మరి ఏం చేస్తాం, అందుకనేసి చిన్న గొలువు పెట్టాను ఈసారి। ఈ వీడియోలో నేను చూపించబోతున్నాను కొంచెం టిప్స్ ట్రిక్స్ ఏంటంటే మనం నవరాత్రి టైంలో అన్నీ రెడీ చేసి పెట్టుకుంటే మనకి చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది కదా। ముందుగానే తాంబూలం అన్నీ రెడీ చేసి పెట్టుకోవాలి కదా। సో ఇవన్నీ ముందుగా రెడీ చేసి పెట్టుకునేదానికి నాకు కొంచెం టిప్స్ ట్రిక్స్ తెలిసాయి, నేను అవి మీతో షేర్ చేసుకోబోతున్నానండి। అండ్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఫాలో చేయండి, కంప్లీట్గా వీడియో చూడండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ కూడా నా వీడియోస్ చేసుకోండి। మోస్ట్లీ నేను ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే చేస్తాను అన్ని వీడియోస్, బట్ మీకు ఏదైనా ఒక పర్టికులర్ వీడియో తెలుగులో కావాలంటే కూడా నాకు చెప్పండి, నేను ఖచ్చితంగా చేసేదానికి ట్రై చేస్తాను। సో నవరాత్రి శుభాకాంక్షలు అందరికీ। எல்லாரும் கோலு வச்சாச்சுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்। கண்டிப்பாக இந்த வாட்டி வந்து மழை பெய்யுது, விச் இஸ் a very good sign for us. But then நம்ம வெளியே எங்கேயும் போக முடியல பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த பேண்டமிக், ஓகே। பட் தென் நானும் கொலு வச்சாச்சு। இப்போ இந்த வீடியோவில் வந்து நான் கொஞ்சம் திங்ஸ் காமிக்க போகிறேன், கொஞ்சம் டிப்ஸ் காமிக்க போகிறேன், விச் வில் பி ஈஸி। நம்ம வந்து டெய்லி ரெடி பண்ணி வச்சுட்டோம்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க இந்த தாம்பூலம் எல்லாமே, அப்போ வந்து நம்மளுக்கு நிறைய டைம் சேவ் ஆகும்। நம்ம கொஞ்சம் நல்லா சாரி கட்டிட்டு நல்லா ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், ஃபோட்டோஸ் நிறைய எடுக்கலாம், ஏன்னா அந்த டைம் வந்து அதுக்கு சேவ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் நம்ம। ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவில் கொஞ்சம் டிப்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கேன், கண்டிப்பாக பாருங்கள், உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்। இன்னும் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் போட போகிறேன் விச் வில் பி யூஸ்ஃபுல் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்। நான் இங்கிலீஷ் வீடியோஸும் பண்ணுவேன், ஸோ how to speak in English and all that, ஸோ அதையும் நான் பண்ணுறேன்। மோஸ்ட்லி இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட்டாக இங்கிலீஷில் இருக்கும், ஓகே। உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது புரியலைன்னா டூ கமெண்ட் அண்ட் நான் வந்து கண்டிப்பாக அதுக்கு ரிப்ளை பண்ணுறதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணுறேன், ஓகேவா। ஸோ எல்லாருக்குமே நவராத்திரி நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்। அண்ட் இந்த 9 நாள் நல்ல நல்ல ஓகே சுண்டல் சாப்பிட்லாம் அண்ட் நல்ல ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், நிறைய பட்டு சாரி கட்டலாம்। ஸோ ஹோப் உங்களோட நவராத்திரி கூட எக்ஸைட்டிங்காக இருக்கும்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன்। ஸோ அடுத்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்கும்போது இன்னும் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான டாபிக்ஸ் கூட வருவேன். அது வரைக்கும் நவராத்திரி நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் எல்லாருக்குமே. You can store betel nuts, okay, betel leaves. You can even store turmeric, kungum powder and all that beforehand, so that whenever somebody walks into your house, you can just pick up one of them and put it in the tambulam, which will be quite easy for you. So these Ziploc bags are very useful, very efficient. Let me show you one bag. This is quite cost effective because if you make it at home. However, if you're gonna buy in a shop which has ready-made stuff, then it's gonna cost you a lot of money, which is kind of waste. So make sure you buy them individually and then pack it with a Ziploc bag, which will actually save a lot of money for you. Bangles are quite tricky, so what I do is I keep a box full of bangles with different sizes, and I ask the lady, the guest of the house, to go ahead and choose whatever she likes and pick it from here. So I've got these bags, okay, and these are paper bags which are eco-friendly, okay. So I've got these bags, and what I do is every day evening I make around 10 bags and keep it ready, so that if anybody walks in, okay, it'll be easy for us. The bag ready. I have packets made like these already, which are cost effective, so I'm going to dump one of them here. Okay, I have a set of bananas, okay, so I'm gonna take 2 of them, okay, and keep it ready. You can do this every day in the mornings and keep it ready, so that it will be useful for you by the time in the evening when people start coming home. So the blouse goes in, okay. This is the takeaway gift. You can keep it aside, and your tambulam pie is ready. It's easy for me to give it to them and easy for them to carry it. One of the best hacks is actually to pack gift wrap, especially for kids. That is, during Golu time, we actually give a lot of gifts to kids, right? Girls and boys. And we do that, we kind of forget to collect all of them and keep it as one, correct? So it's best. Don't forget, kids love gift wraps. Betel leaves can easily be stored in an airtight container. What you have to do is clean them first with a couple of dry tissues, and after that, when you're keeping them in an airtight container, go ahead and keep dry tissues at the bottom of the container and also on the top where it absorbs the moisture. In this way, if you store betel leaves, they will stay good for more than a week, and it will be easy for you. Hope you liked my video, and I will come back with another interesting video pretty soon. So until then, Jai Hind.